Best morning pink salt recipe and pink salt trick for weight loss. Never drink plain water first thing in the morning. Why? Because it might actually be slowing down your metabolism, not waking it up. But there's a weird ancient pink salt trick that turns your morning water into a fat-burning, gut-healing, energy-boosting tonic, and no one's talking about it the right way. This isn't about fancy supplements or detox teas. It's about a basic ingredient most people already have sitting in their kitchen: Himalayan pink salt. But the secret isn't just in the salt itself, it's in how and when you use it. Today I'm going to show you the best morning pink salt recipe that can help with weight loss, gut health, hydration and energy, all before 8 a.m. And I'll also share a pink salt trick that most people are doing wrong, and how to do it right. Why most mornings are working against you. Let's get real for a second. Most people wake up dehydrated. They reach for coffee, sugary cereal, maybe toast, and start the day on the wrong foot. By noon they're bloated, sluggish, and already reaching for their second coffee. The body's in survival mode, not fat-burning mode. And drinking just plain water first thing, it's not enough. Because when your electrolytes are off, especially sodium, water passes right through you without doing its job. Your cells stay dehydrated, your metabolism stays slow, and your energy stays low. That's where pink salt comes in, but not the way most influencers use it. But before I show you this pink salt trick, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this is the kind of real wellness advice people actually want. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Stick around for this simple pink salt morning routine, backed by science and used for centuries. Now, let's get into the recipe. The best morning pink salt recipe. Pink salt water for weight loss. Alright, here's what you really came for. The ingredients: 1 glass of filtered lukewarm water, 1/4 teaspoon of pure Himalayan pink salt, ½ tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Optional, but powerful, a tiny pinch of black pepper or cayenne. Optional for metabolism boost. Optional, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey if you need sweetness. The recipe: add the pink salt, stir until it fully dissolves, add lemon juice and optional spices. Drink slowly within 10 minutes of waking up before coffee, food, or even brushing your teeth. Why? Because this is when your gut is most receptive. You're recharging your cells, balancing your minerals, and switching your body from store fat to burn fat mode. Why this works? 1. Pink salt rehydrates at a cellular level. Think of pink salt like nature's electrolyte powder, but without the sugar, dyes, or weird chemicals. Pink salt isn't just fancy salt. It contains over 80 trace minerals your body actually needs. Think magnesium, calcium, potassium, iron, in natural ratios your body recognizes. When added to water, it creates something called soul water, a mineral infusion that hydrates your cells deeper than plain water. Without the minerals, water just passes through. 2. Boosts electrolyte balance. Ever feel dizzy or sluggish in the morning, even after a full night's sleep? You might be low on sodium, and that's not the enemy. Your body needs sodium to fire up your nerve signals, muscle function, and adrenal glands. And guess what? When your adrenals are balanced, your cortisol and insulin, 2 hormones tied to belly fat, become stable too. 3. Fires up metabolism. Lemon juice plus pink salt plus cayenne. That's like sending a wake-up call to your liver and digestive tract. It gets bile flowing, breaks down stored fat, and helps flush toxins naturally. Not in a gimmicky detox way, but in a functional way. A 2021 clinical review found that adequate sodium intake in the morning improved thyroid function and metabolic rate. So no, salt doesn't always lead to weight gain. The type of salt and timing matters. 4. The combo of pink salt and lemon actually helps stimulate stomach acid production. Low stomach acid, bloating, indigestion, and poor nutrient absorption. Fixing this first thing in the morning means better digestion all day. 5. Supports hormonal balance and sleep later. Here's something wild. The minerals you get in the morning affect your sleep that night. Why? Because magnesium and sodium help regulate your circadian rhythm. Getting them first thing helps set your biological clock and reduce late-night sugar cravings, which is one of the biggest weight loss killers. Now here's where it gets interesting, because most people using pink salt are completely missing the point. The pink salt weight loss trick you're doing wrong. Now most people think they can just sprinkle pink salt on food and get the same benefits. Nope, here's why that's not working. Mistake number 1, using pink salt during meals only. That helps with flavor, sure, but it doesn't do much for cellular hydration or hormone balance. Morning timing is key. Your body is fasting, insulin is low, and this is when salt has the most impact. Mistake number 2. Using the wrong pink salt. Not all pink salts are equal. Avoid those neon pink looking ones with anti-caking agents or additives. Look for raw Himalayan pink salt, unrefined food grade. Brands like Sherpa Pink, Saltworks or the Spice Lab are trusted. Mistake number 3. Skipping it altogether. A lot of people on low sodium diets are unknowingly wrecking their metabolism. The key isn't cutting sodium, it's balancing it. Without sodium, your body can't retain hydration and your adrenal function tanks. This leads to sugar cravings, low energy and stubborn belly fat. Add-ons for extra results. If you want to take this recipe to the next level, add 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Boosts insulin sensitivity, balances blood sugar, and helps digestion. Just make sure to rinse your mouth after it's acidic. Add a dash of Ceylon cinnamon. Helps regulate blood sugar and reduce fat storage, especially if you're dealing with insulin resistance or PCOS. Optional, chia seed soak. Post pink salt. 30 minutes after your pink salt drink, soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in water and drink it. It swells in your gut, keeps you full, and supports weight loss through fiber and omega-3s. Product recommendation. If you want a shortcut, look into Soul Water jars. These are pre-made pink salt plus water infusions. You just take a tablespoon in the morning with water. Recommended Himalayan Soul Water Concentrate. Aiden Electrolyte Blend. Includes pink salt plus trace minerals. Always read the labels. No sugar, no synthetic additives. You can't burn fat in a body that's dehydrated and out of balance. Real weight loss starts with real minerals. Let's break it all down real quick. Best time to drink pink salt water? First thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Use 1/4 teaspoon of real, unrefined Himalayan pink salt in lukewarm filtered water. Optional but effective. Add lemon juice, cayenne, cinnamon, or ACV. This isn't just a hydration hack, it's a metabolic switch. Don't fall for myths. Sodium isn't bad, imbalanced sodium is. Pair this with a clean, whole food breakfast 30 minutes later, not sugar-laden cereal or processed bread. Do this daily for 7 days, and you'll likely notice less bloating, better energy, fewer cravings, and yes, a trimmer belly. Not magic, just minerals. If you made it this far, your body is probably asking for help, and now you know where to start. Give this pink salt trick just 7 mornings, and I bet your gut, your energy, and your waistline will all thank you. Come back and let me know what changes first. And if this helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a real wellness tip again. Because here, we don't sell gimmicks, we just share what actually works. Stay hydrated, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.